Hello, good morning, first year, or good afternoon. How are you today? Good, good. Hoje, então, nós vamos continuar as atividades referentes aos numbers. A teacher vai apresentar para vocês os numbers do 1 até o 10, usando algumas figuras, ok? Pay attention. Tcharam. Numbers. Então, vamos lembrar dessa figura. What is it? It's a house. One house. Number 1. 1. What is it? What animal is it? It's a monkey. 1, 2. Number 2. 2. What is it? It's a heart. 1, 2, 3. Number 3. 3. What is it? It's an elephant. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 4. What is it? It's an egg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 5. 5. What is it? It's an apple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 6. 6. What is it? It's a dog. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Number 7. 7. What is it? It's a cat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number 8. What is it? It's a ball. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Number 9. 9. What is it? It's ant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Number 10. 10. Então, esses foram os numbers do 1 até o 10. Vamos repetir com a teacher agora. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ok? A teacher também vai deixar uma atividade para colorir, usando os numbers e as colors. E também vai deixar essa apresentação do PowerPoint para vocês assistirem várias vezes e lembrar os numbers, ok? Bye, bye. See you. Kisses.